I'm Megan. I'm a physical therapist at Rex Hospital, and today we're going to go over how to get into a car after having had a total hip replacement. So before the patient gets there, you're going to push the car seat back as far as it will go and recline the seat back as well. Then once the patient is with you, they're going to walk up to the car and back up to the seat. They want to feel the car behind their legs before they go and sit. And then they're going to prop their operated leg out in front of them, reach back for the seat, and sit down, trying not to bend at the waist too much. Once they're sitting, they can bring their leg up onto the edge and scoot back, making sure they're not bending forwards too much. And then you're going to help them bring their leg in, making sure they don't twist at the hip. Once they are safely in the car, they can bring the seat up to a comfortable spot, and then they are ready to drive home.